A home number sign is one of the smallest details of a house, yet it says a lot. It is the first thing people see before they step inside. So, why not make it a design statement? A wooden number board with integrated plant shelves does exactly that. It turns a purely functional element into something alive, tactile, and welcoming. It adds warmth. It softens the geometry of modern facades and balances concrete, glass, or metal finishes. When combined with plants, it transforms from a label into a living feature, a subtle expression of personality and care. The beauty of wood in this context is how versatile it is. It can be sleek and minimal, a single solid slab with carved or metal inlay numbers, or rustic and layered, built from reclaimed planks with visible grain and texture. Both directions work depending on the character of the house. Adding a small plant shelf or even two changes everything. It introduces rhythm and depth to what would otherwise be a flat surface. Succulents, ferns, or trailing vines soften the sharpness of the design while giving it movement and seasonal variation. Every few weeks, the look evolves as the plants grow or change. It is a design that never feels static. From a practical standpoint, the shelves don't need to be large. Even a narrow ledge, enough for a few small pots, brings dimension. When the shelves are integrated into the wooden frame itself, they look intentional rather than decorative. The best versions use hidden brackets or recessed metal supports, so the focus stays on the wood and the greenery. Material choice matters. Hardwoods like teak, cedar, or treated pine handle outdoor exposure well. Reclaimed wood adds authenticity, the kind of texture that tells a story and naturally complements the living plants. A matte sealant or natural oil finish keeps the tone rich while protecting the grain from sunlight and moisture. For the numbers themselves, contrast is key. Matte black or brushed metal against natural wood makes a strong modern statement. Engraved or laser-cut numbers offer a subtler look, almost like part of the wood surface rather than something attached to it. Lighting can make the design stand out even more. Soft, indirect LED strips placed under the shelves or behind the numbers create a quiet glow at night. Elegant, not flashy. It ensures visibility while highlighting the material textures that make the piece special. There is also something psychologically grounding about combining natural wood and plants at the threshold of a home. It sets the tone, organic, calm, and cared for, before even anyone steps inside. That is why these hybrid designs are becoming popular, not just for houses, but also for studios, cafes, and boutique offices. The concept works across styles. In modern architecture, the clean lines and muted tones of oak or walnut pair beautifully with minimal greenery. In rustic or coastal settings, weathered, reclaimed wood with lush trailing plants feels timeless and approachable. And in tropical climates, mixing vertical slats with hardy plants like pothos or ferns creates a refreshing, low-maintenance statement. The idea is simple. Design doesn't have to stop at the door. Even something as small as a house number can reflect the same values that shape the home itself: warmth, attention to detail, and connection to nature. A wooden signboard with plant shelves is not decoration for the sake of it. It is functional, sustainable, and expressive. It quietly says, "This is a home that breathes." So until next time, happy decorating.